Hello, everyone. This is Joni, and I must say that I'm glad to be back. I feel like I have been gone for a long, long time, but as you can probably tell from the looks of me, that I haven't been that well for quite a while. And whatever the nurse practitioner had, she really zonked me. I took about 3 prescriptions of antibiotics and K-Flex. And then I had to have breathing treatments and all such things as that. And I had to buy a machine to bring my breathing treatments home so I could take them at home. And it's much nicer if you own your own breathing machine because you don't have to worry about somebody else using it and what they have and everything. But it caused me to develop bronchitis and what I had had. And I just couldn't get rid of that bronchitis at all because I couldn't get it to come up out of my bronchial tubes. And I suffered with that for a long time. But now I'm on the mend, and today is the first time that I have been out since right after I made my last haul. Or not haul, my last video. I don't even remember what it was. It's been so long ago. I think it was something from my kitchen table. And so as you can see in the background, I have got some of the stuff done on my tree, but that's basically the lights that go on them, and there's just a few ornaments on it. And I thought it might look a little bit better with the lights lit up than just sitting back there stark with just a few ornaments on it. So I went ahead and turned those on. But I'm going to do a haul for you guys. And once again, I've got my things set not to go off like I'm supposed to because I'm trying to keep this thing a certain time limit, and I always forget to turn my little timer on. I always do. Never fails. But you may see me drinking some Boost today. I really feel like I do need it at times because it also caused my sugar to start dropping again, and I hadn't had that trouble for a long time because I'm sure I told you all how I was able to eat the candy and everything, and I was, and it wasn't giving me any trouble. But after I was sick for so long and couldn't, my sugar started falling, and then I couldn't eat anything. But I'm on a diet, and I have lost some weight already, but not enough to even start me where I need to be. So, but ice cream's out, candy's out, all this stuff, and I'm just going to eat vegetables and a little meat and things like that, and my salads and things. But I've got a haul that I'm going to show you, and I've got some things that I think that I don't think I showed this to you before I got sick. I bought 2 of these. I found these at Dollar General, and they're just so cute. And it has love written on the back of it, on the front. And I bought myself one, and I bought Sophie one. And I thought she would love it because she loves hats. And this one is such glitter in it that I really thought she would go bonkers about that. So I got 2 of them. One for her, like I said, and one for me. And I thought that I would show those to you just in case I didn't show them to you on the last haul, because I couldn't remember. It's been so long since I did that. So I'll put those right here, and I don't want to bend over because my hernia, oh gosh, it has been giving me, trouble with a capital T since I got so sick and everything. But this is some cording that I bought. Now, Tanya bought this. I don't know where. I got the hats at the general store. And they were only $5, I believe it was, when I bought those. But now, she bought this for me when she was out shopping, and I don't know even where she bought it. I bought 2 of them. And so I don't know where she bought them or how much they were. You may know if you know their products and everything, but I don't. I don't pay any attention to that when I'm buying things. I just buy the material, whatever I'm buying, and don't pay attention to the writing on it. Then today I bought this at Michael's, and I thought that it was awfully pretty. I bought a ring of lights, but I have to get it set up so I'll have better lighting from now on. And I got these at Michael's, and they were $10, and they were on sale. I believe that these were on sale half price. I'm still wearing my glasses with one side because last night, these were $15, so I think they were $7.50. But last night my blood pressure went up to 157/98, I believe it was. So I had a bad time then. But anyway, then I bought these little tea towels. I thought they were really pretty. And I didn't know if I'm going to put them in the kitchen or not. I get these glasses. Dashing Through the Snow is what it says. And so I got that one. And then I got 2 of these, of the gingerbread men. And then I got this other tree, the car with the trees. And I thought that I'm not sure what I'm going to do in my kitchen yet. I'm really not. I'm so undecided that it's not even funny. I told you all I have trouble making decisions anyway. Now, Tanya got me some of these at Walmart. And I like them pretty well, but I'm not crazy about them, so I think I'm going to take them back. And then again, I may just keep them just to have, just in case we want to have some sort of a little meal or something in them, because they're really pretty. It's a little snowman. And then I got some of these. I like those really well. So I got, I believe I got 4 or 6 of those. I don't remember. It's terrible when you can't remember what you buy. But I also bought some little things. No, she bought these for me, and so I don't know where she bought these. Some little houses that I'm going to use. And hang on my pencil tree in my kitchen. So I'll be using that one. And I already have some on it. And I have some of the work done on it in there. I think these are just so pretty though. And they light up, I think, but they don't have any batteries in them. And I believe she said she got those at Dollar Tree. No, Walmart. Then she bought this for me. She bought me, I don't know how many she bought me of these. There are quite a few. I think maybe 5 or 6, I'm not really sure. And then there's the little bread, gingerbread, they're stuck together. The gingerbread man and woman. These are both. Oh, that's got one of the things off of it. No, they just have one on it. I don't know. But she bought me those, and she bought me some others to put on my tree. And then she bought me some of these. I thought they were cute to go on my gingerbread. I'm putting a lot of gingerbread on my tree in the kitchen. And so these look like cookies, I think. I think they'll be really cute. Some of these I don't even have the tags off. They don't have the prices, but they just have the tags of the names. So I got those. And then I got some of their nutcrackers, like some of you have been getting. And I think that they look really cute. They're prettier than the ones they had last year. And the year before, I believe, is when I got mine. Because they were wood, the mouths opened on them, but they weren't nearly as pretty as these. And I got probably about maybe 8 or 10 of those, I believe. I'm not for sure, though. Then I got some of these because I want to use these. I'm hoping to get my village, my Dickens village, put up this year. And so I'm going to need quite a few trees. So I want to, I got these at Michael's. And I believe, I don't know if these were on sale or not. It says they're $25, but I don't know. It might have been, it might not have been. I really don't know. Then I got this, and these things are gorgeous. I dearly love these. I got these at TJ Maxx, and I know fall is over, but my goodness, they're so pretty. I had to get them and try to keep them until next fall because they're just so beautiful. They're napkins. And so I thought I would go ahead and get them in case I would want to use them for something next fall. And then here's some of the square ones instead of the long. And they're just so pretty. I love them. I've been looking for napkins. Before I got sick, I was looking for napkins for so long, and I couldn't find any that I really liked at all. Now, I got these at TJ Maxx. Yeah, TJ Maxx. You can see, you start like this, and then you turn the bolts. I got 2 boxes of these, just in case I wanted to put them on my tree here in the living room. And then I got this stuff for my tree in the kitchen, my pencil tree. This was from Michael's. They were on sale too, but I think they were $2. I believe they were. And so I got some of those. And I got some of these. I think these are just, they look so real until you almost want to take a bite of them. They just look that real. And I know Tanya made some of those last year. And here's another little tree. Tree with the truck. So I must have gotten about 3 of those, I think. I'm trying not to get too many of any one thing so that I'll have enough room to make them sort of diversified. And then I bought several of these because I thought that I might need them in either if I'm going to make wreaths or any decorating I'm going to do. I thought that it would be nice to use these in it. These are just like it. I think I bought, well, I can count them. Oh, they're falling off too. That's not good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have more down in my bag. 7, 8, 9. I think I bought 10, yeah. I bought 10 down in there. And I thought that that would help me in any of the things that I would want to make. And so I still have a lot of things that that Tanya has bought for me and brought home. But I just didn't want to take too long on this video because, number one, I really didn't feel that well. And I'm just in the stage of recuperating, like I said, and my blood pressure feels like it's going up right now because my head feels like it's getting awfully hot. And I don't want to get any more than 96 on the bottom. Don't like it. But so I'm going to get off of here and go put my PJs on and kick back and rest a little bit after my experience at shopping today, after I haven't been out for so long. But I want to thank all of you who I know have been praying for me and everything. And I have, like, as well, been praying for you all. And hope that you are all getting along well. And some of you I heard from that I haven't heard from for a long time. And it blessed my heart when I did hear from you. So I'm going to just say goodbye. Not goodbye, so long. And I'm about to forget what I do say. It's been so long. But I never say goodbye to anybody. But anyway, say so long until my next video is up. And you'll have to excuse my wrinkles, my circles under my eyes. And my eyes, the whites are more, I don't know what color they are. They're not white. They're a different color. They're dull, very, very dull. And it says somebody's been sick for a while. But like I said, hopefully, good Lord's will, I'm getting better. And I'm going to be able to start putting up some DIYs and showing you how I'm decorating some of the things for the house. I can show you my gingerbread tree. It's more completed than anything else right now is. And but it won't take very long to, I'm hoping, get my stuff out and get it all. But I'm going to have to take it easy because I can't do it with my hernia. And I was just telling Tanya today it wouldn't surprise me if I don't have to have surgery on it. It's getting so bad. But I've got 2 in there, so they may want to do a double hernia surgery. And I hope not, but if it comes to that, that's what I guess it would take. But I will be talking with you guys later, and don't forget that just because I'm not on there, I'm not thinking about you. And I have still been getting subscribers, and I told Tanya, I said, my goodness sakes, I don't know how I'm getting subscribers without making any videos. And she just started laughing, and she said, well, Mom, they must like what they see. And so I hope that you do like what you see. And know that I'm the genuine person. There's no put on with me. It's all right there. And but I will talk with you guys later. And don't forget that I love you. And more than ever, like I say, God loves you. And that's more important than my little bit of love could ever be, because he has a whole big wide universe full of love. So I'll talk with you all later. Bye-bye.